Want to build websites, apps, and automate the boring tasks, but don't know where to start? So, guys, in the next 7 minutes, I will give the simple step by step plan to learn coding from zero. Okay, no confusion, no overwhelm. Let's get started, guys. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap, guys, to start coding, then daily habits you will get, guys, and that actually works, and mini projects to practice. Okay, so guys, subscribe if you want more videos like this or more beginners coding tips. Then you can subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, so first, what you need to do, guys, first choose your path, guys. That is, pick any path. That is, don't learn everything like I will learn this also, I will learn this, I will learn this, like web development, Python, mobile app. Don't do like that, guys. Choose anyone from here. Like, you can choose web development, you can choose Python, or you can choose mobile app, guys. Okay, so pick anyone. And one more thing is, which excites you more, now that only you choose, because excitement, that is consistency, guys. If you have any excitement for this, to learn this, then there will be consistency, because you need to follow that only later, guys. Okay, so which you like more, that only you select first. Okay, next, guys, we'll go here. Okay, then what you need to do, guys, after this, just learn the basic thing, guys. Just means, don't learn everything. Okay, just learn the basic thing, understand the concept, not memorize some like I have to hat and that. Don't do like that, guys. Okay, if you're going web development, then learn, guys. HTML is there, CSS is there, JS is there, DOM is there, you can go for this. Then if you're learning Python, then there are syntax, variables, functions, list is there, dictionary is there. Okay, that you can do. And guys, daily you have to spend at least 30 to 60 minutes, guys, for practice. Okay, practice plus theory you need to learn, then only you will learn, guys, all the things. Okay, so do this habit and keep this consistency first, guys. Okay, then, guys, next, what you need to do, just build the projects, guys. This is a fun part, guys. Okay, now what I'm going to tell, that is the fun part. Build projects, start small, making project like a to-do list. This is small project, right? This you can do. Then weather app you can do. Even you can go for expense tracker also, guys. Okay, so each project should be slightly harder than the earlier, guys. Okay, you can go for portfolio also, automation script also. So it should be harder than earlier. Okay, don't do only simple projects. Okay, then deploy it, guys, on GitHub or free, like free host are there, guys. Lot of you can use that also. Okay, Netlify is there, GitHub is there, you can use that, and freely you can host it. Okay, so this is third step, guys. Okay, next, what you need to do, guys, there is weekly and daily routine, guys, that you need to follow. Okay, so here's the plan, guys, that works for 30 to 60 minutes. Okay, daily. Okay, so what you need to do, 30 to 60 minutes daily for daily you need to give, guys, for learning. Okay, this is very important, guys. Learning you need to give daily at least 30 to 60 minutes. Next, guys, one mini project, at least one mini project in weekly you need to do, guys. Okay, and one big project in monthly, like, and just do upload it on GitHub and you can test, guys. Okay, monthly one big project and weekly one mini project. Okay, got it. Then, guys, use Pomodoro method, guys. That is 25-minute focus and 5 minutes break. Okay, you can use this method and you can start, guys. Okay, so this is the daily and weekly routine we have seen, guys. Okay, next, guys, tools where you will get, guys. Okay, what are the tools you need for this? You need just, guys, first first one thing is, don't you don't need any fancy gears, guys. Okay, whatever we have now, from that only we will start. Okay, just a laptop, then VS Code, then GitHub is there, and Google also you can use for debugging. And suppose if you're getting error, you can search there. Then free resources are available, guys. Okay, okay, so GitHub is there, Git is there, free tutorials are available, docs are available, YouTube is also there. Okay, and YouTube forum is there, learn for Google errors. So error also you will learn from Google, guys, because if you give error, it will give some solution, it will give some hint, guys. Okay, so that also you can use. Okay, so this is tools you need. There are not any heavy tools, guys, that are already we will get easily. Okay, so that tools only you need to use. Then, over becoming roadblocks, guys. Okay, so suppose feeling stuck is normal. Okay, feeling stuck is very normal, guys. When you hit an error, read it carefully. First thing is, you need to read it carefully, guys. Next, guys, what you need to do, search it online. Okay, just Google it, guys. Okay, you will get some Stack Overflow, and or in Google you will get something, guys. Okay, Then after that, guys, what you need to do, break into smaller parts. Okay, you have to break, guys, in smaller part your whatever error is there. Means you need to understand the error thoroughly, from where it is coming, the root cause and all that you need to understand, guys. Okay, after that, what you need to do, guys, ask for help. Okay, you can ask for help, or like show what you tried and all that also you can do, guys, because there are a lot of forum, guys, which will help. If you show what you have done now, it will help you, guys. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, then, guys, what you need to do, your 30 minutes challenge, guys. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, build a web page with your name. You can build one web page with your name plus button to change the color. Means one website you can build, guys, and one button you need to give with your name. You need to do, guys, one website. Okay, when you click on that button, the color should get changed. Okay, so like that you need to do this 30-minute challenge, guys, I'm telling. Okay, means background should get changed. Okay, or a Python script for counting the words in a file. Means there is a one file, there are a lot of sentence, so you need to count that words from that. Okay, that is 30-minute challenge, guys. Okay, and when you do this or when you finish this, guys, just comment in comment box, guys, so I'll get. Okay, so once you have this small projects, guys, so go for bigger, guys, because we know the small things. Now you can go for now bigger things. Okay, contribute to open source. There is an open source, build a portfolio, guys. Okay, then learn this DSAs and all for interviews. Okay, even you can learn for backend also, guys, because you know the front end. Now you can go for backend. That will be helpful for full stack, guys. Okay, keep building projects. Okay, the projects are the best teacher, guys. Okay, so keep building projects and all. Okay, so I hope, guys, till this you got everything right. Yes, so, guys, if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and comment below which path you're going to select. That also you tell me, guys, whether it is web, whether it is Python, or whether it is mobile. Okay, so, guys, thank you so much, guys, and please comment in comment box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everyone.